Before we embark on our learning journey, let's take a quick look at what Excel is and what it's used for. Excel dates back to the early 1980s and was originally developed and marketed by Microsoft. It was rapidly adopted by people and businesses around the world, becoming an industry standard where spreadsheet software is concerned. Today, Excel is an integral part of Microsoft Office's productivity suite, and no doubt the most famous and widely used spreadsheet tool. We can use Excel in several different ways to store, organize, and analyze information. You may think it's only for processing complex data, but Excel has powerful features that can be used for almost anything. Excel is pretty user-friendly too, which is an added bonus. If you're fretting about your monthly expenditure, daily schedule, or travel plans, Excel can help you get organized in no time. If you're throwing a party, you can use Excel for smooth menu planning and to make sure all your guests are seated next to someone they like. At work, people use Excel to generate invoices, compile data, carry out calculations, conduct data analysis, create charts, and much more. Many functions can be automated, which makes it even more powerful. Excel has some unique uses too. Take a look at these incredible traditional Japanese paintings. Would you believe that they have been made completely using Excel? The artist behind them is a 78-year-old Japanese man who had never used Excel before and began experimenting with coloring cells after seeing people use Excel at work. People have also used Excel to replicate all-time favorite games like Pac-Man, Monopoly, Scrabble, Tetris, and even Candy Crush. All actions are created by changing the fill color of every cell. During this course, although we won't be creating video games, we will learn all about Excel's most useful features and how to take advantage of them, especially for work. After completing the course, the sky will be your limit.